By the end of the video, we'll know about HIIT for beginners, easy high-intensity interval training. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's perfect for those of you who are new to fitness or just starting out on your fitness journey. High-intensity interval training, or HIIT, for beginners. Now, if you're new to exercise, don't be intimidated by the term HIIT. It's not as scary as it sounds. HIIT is a type of workout that involves short bursts of intense activity, followed by periods of rest or low-intensity activity. This means that even though you're working hard for short periods, you're still taking breaks and giving your body time to recover. So let's get started with these 3 simple HIIT exercises that are perfect for beginners. 1. Squat jumps. Start with a wide stance. Jump up high and land softly on the balls of your feet. Lower yourself back down into a squat position. Repeat this movement for 30 seconds. 2. High knees. Lift your knees up as high as possible and alternate between legs for 30 seconds. This will get your heart rate up quickly and effectively. 3. Burpees. Start in a standing position. Squat down and place your hands on the ground. Jump your feet back into a push-up position. Then jump up high back into the squat position and repeat for 30 seconds. Remember to take breaks if needed and always listen to your body when you're starting out with any new exercise routine. You can mix and match these exercises or try them all in one go for a super quick workout that will leave you feeling exhilarated. Thanks for joining us today, folks. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends who are also embarking on their fitness journeys. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fitness tips and advice tailored specifically for beginners like yourself. Until next time, keep moving and stay fit.